How was the night? Today we are going to continue from where we stopped yesterday in the multiplication. I gave you some examples on the multiplication of 3 digits by 3 digits. So today I'm going to give you more examples. Let's say we have 245 times 215. You see, in this problem, we are going to have 2-digit answers. So, which means that it's going to be somehow complicated. And in this kind of question, there's need for you to be very careful so that you not make any mistake at the end of the day that will not affect your answer. So, in solving this using the trick I gave you yesterday, what you are going to do is that you are going to arrange it 2, 4, 5 times 2, 1, 5. You draw your line. Now don't forget that I said that you are going to multiply from both sides. So when you multiply 5 by 5, you're going to have 25. So you are going to write your 5, isn't it? What are you going to write? You are going to write 5 and carry 2, isn't it? You write your 5 and carry 2. Don't forget. Now the next thing you are going to do is to multiply 4 and 5, then 5 and 1. So 5 times 4 will give us 20, while 5 times 1 will give us 5. So 5 plus 20 will give us 25, plus these 2 here we have 27. We are going to write 7 here and carry 2. Now the next thing we are going to do is to cross multiply all the numbers we have here. That is 2 times 5 plus 2 times 5 plus 4 times 1. So let's do it together. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is also 10. Then 4 times 1 is 4. Don't forget we have 1, 2 here that we carried the other time. Let's add it together. And this will give us 6. Then this will give us 26. We are going to write our 6 and also carry 2. So when we carry 2, the last stage is to multiply 4 by 2, then 2 by 1. So 4 by 2 will give us, that is 2 times 4 will give us 8, plus this number we carried. Then 2 times 1 will give us 2. So when you add these 2 together, the 3 numbers together, you are going to have 2 plus 8 is 10. Then 10 plus 2 will give you 12. So you write your 2 and carry 1. Now don't forget that I said you are going to multiply from both sides, meaning that you say 5 times 5, you write your answer down. 2 times 2, you write it down. The reason why I didn't do that in this question is because so that you'll be able to understand it, that at the end of the day you are still going to multiply from the both sides, but it depends on how the question is. So like this one now, you see we are multiplying from the left hand side as the last step in the question. So now 2 times 2 will give us 4, plus this last one we carried is going to be 5. So our answer will be 52,675. So when you multiply this, that is what the answer will give you if you use your calculator. Thanks. Next time we are going to give you more examples. Now let's take another example. Let's say we have 342 times 2, 3, 4. Now you arrange it. Don't forget, that's the first thing you are going to do. So when you arrange this, you multiply from both sides, isn't it? That's the first thing I say you will do. 2 times 4 will give you 8. 3 times 2 will give you 6. Make sure there is a space in between the first 2 numbers you arrive at. Now the next thing you are going to do is to cross multiply. So 4 times 4 will give us 16. 3 times 2 will give us 6. So when you add these two numbers together, you are going to have 22. So write 2 and carry 2. Then the next thing you are going to do now is to cross multiply all the numbers. So 3 times 4 will give 12. Then 2 times 2 will be 4. Then 3 times 4 will be 12. Don't forget to add with this number you carried up. So let's add it together. 2 plus 12 will give us 14. 14 plus 4 will give us 18. 18 plus 12 will give us 30, isn't it? So you are going to write 0 and carry 3. So now 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then 2 times 4 will give us 8. So when you add this together, 3 plus 9 will give us 12. Then 12 plus 8 will give us 20. So you are going to write 0 and carry 2. So that will give you 8, 0, 0, 2, 8. So that is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.